Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might be wondering how to move your Polkadot tokens from Coinbase to Revolut. It's a straightforward process that can save you time and fees, and I'm here to walk you through it step by step. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this guide will help you do it safely and efficiently. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Coinbase and Revolut. Coinbase is your go-to exchange for buying and storing crypto, while Revolut lets you hold and even spend your Polkadot tokens directly. Always double-check that your accounts are secure. Enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Head over to the dashboard and find your Polkadot wallet. You'll see your balance right there. Let's say you've got some DOT tokens ready to transfer. Step 2. Click on the Send or Withdraw button next to your Polkadot balance. This will open a form where you need to enter the recipient's address. Now, switch to your Revolut app. Go to the Crypto section, select Polkadot, and tap on Receive to get your unique wallet address. Copy that address carefully. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so no typos allowed. Step 3. Paste the Revolut address into the recipient field on Coinbase. You'll also need to enter the amount of Polkadot you want to send. Remember, there might be network fees, especially on the Polkadot blockchain, so check those before confirming. Step 4. Review everything twice. Make sure the address is correct, the amount is right, and you're okay with any fees. Once you're good, hit Confirm and authorize the transaction. You'll get a confirmation email or notification from Coinbase. Finally, sit tight. Transactions on the Polkadot network are usually fast, but it could take a few minutes to an hour in 2025, depending on network congestion. Once it arrives in Revolut, you're all set to use or hold your tokens. That's it, folks. By now, you should have successfully transferred your Polkadot from Coinbase to Revolut. If you run into any issues, drop a comment below, and I'll help out. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more crypto tips, and hit that bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.